Hi, I'm Eric Harris, and I'm going to be introducing the new Google Sites website. I am a teacher at a public school, and I teach history. So I've been creating a lot of Google Sites, and they're a really simple way to create web quests and wikis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with clicking on the kind of the squares here, and I'm going to go all the way down to Sites, and it's going to take me to this page here. Now what you want to do is you want to click on New Google Sites, okay? Because Google updated it, their web, the way they do their sites, it's pretty simple and user-friendly. As you can see, I've created a few just for my master's program alone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press this little plus button where it says Create New Site, okay? So it will take me to a Google site in which I will, if it ever loads, come to here, and here's your site. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a title page. So for example, I am teaching about the Berlin Wall, so I'll put the Berlin Wall. Now, if I want to, I will go ahead and title my Google site, which is Berlin Wall. And then I will maybe want to add a YouTube clip, okay? Just to start my students off with an anticipatory set, and I'll just title it. I'll search Berlin Wall. I will click here. And what'll come up is a bunch of cool YouTube clips. So I'll just pick the first one for time, and it'll be right here. Now you'll see I can move it around and whatnot, and there I go. So if I want to collect something from my Google Drive, if I have a resource, I just click the drive, and so I can go ahead and look at my drive and add it to my screen. In addition, I can add images, so I can search by URL. I can search here, so Berlin Wall. Search, and let's see what they have. So let's just pick this one. I'll select it. And here it goes. So the students can see kind of a Berlin Wall. And if I wanted to add a map of Berlin, I can go ahead and click on Map. So let's just say Berlin, Germany. And so now the students can get a better idea of where Berlin is. If I wanted to click a text, I would go ahead and click the text box and say, you will be studying about the Berlin Wall. What I've done in the past is I've created Google Sites, and I can actually manipulate that. I can create new pages, and they will end up right here. And themes, so if I want to make it green or purple or diplomat, vision, it's pretty simple. I will publish my website. I will say as a search tool, Berlin Wall. Here's my Azusa Pacific, but I can search anyone on the web and publish it. Once I've created my site, I can view public site. Pretty simple. Great way to introduce creating just a simple Google site for learning in the classroom. Thank you.